Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you exactly how to remove the fuel filter from this Peugeot 308 from 2020. First, what you have to do is to remove these three screws and take out this cover exactly like you see in the video. After that, just unscrew this little cap. It's like a pressure cap for the fuel filter case. Just take it out. It will leak a little bit of diesel, but it's not that much problem. After that, just open it. You can open it exactly like in video. You don't have to remove any of the fuel lines, just like a normal oil filter cap. I was not showing you in the video, but be sure that you clean the cap inside really well while the filter stays. Also be sure to remove these two seals. One it's right there and another one it's on the filter. Also, you cannot hear it in video, but when you put it back in cap, be sure it makes like a click, so you have to put a lot of pressure, and after that just put it back. So it's that easy. You can do it even home with your jack. You don't need any special tools. Be sure that you put the pressure screw back in and you tight it really well like you see now in video. Keep in mind you don't have to remove any of the fuel lines, but a really important thing, before you start the car, be sure that you bleed the entire fuel system, because if you just try to put the contact on and start the car, it will not start. So be sure that in one or another way you bleed the fuel system. Now you can just put the cover back on, tight it really well, and that's it. That easy you can remove, or better say replace, your fuel filter. So thank you guys and see you in next video.